What's one system a new agent could implement to transform their past clients into active referral?
Ooh, you guys are not going to want to do this, but it is like singularly one of the most important things that I've ever done. Um, and it's really uncomfortable. That is a yearly review.
Okay.
Okay. So I learned this actually with Ninja Selling with Larry Kendall. And the reason you're not going to want to do this, so here's what you do. On the anniversary of their home purchase, you basically call them up and say, I'd love to meet you for tea, coffee, lunch, whatever. I'd love to hear about what you've done to the house in the last year. And, and I give you just a review of your real estate holdings because I think everybody should be informed about their real estate values. And the reason you're not going to want to do that is to you, it feels like you're trying to get them to buy or sell. Yeah. That
Right.
is not how your client feels, but that's how you feel. Yeah. So you've got to find a way to do this that is comfortable, suit your personality, suit your brand, right? What I settled on, and I think it worked a lot better, is reaching out on the year, say happy house anniversary. If because I'm a terrible friend, I'm just not very good at being like social with my past clients. It's like I don't have time for that. So pretty much on their anniversary is probably the first time they've heard from me in a year. Many of you are way better than I am at that. God love you. So glad it's not me. I'm not good at that. So it's probably the first time they've heard from me the entire year. Happy house anniversary. Just wanted to catch up with you. By the way, do you want an update on the value of your house? And they either say yes or no. And I'm like, well, that's cool, whatever. I just wanted to talk to you. So that's what worked for me. But that discipline of reaching out, once a year, I'm going to put it in terms that any Los Angelean can understand right now, because insurance is something that is so arrow through the heart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like it if your insurance agent reached out to you every year to just kind of review your insurance and make sure that you're comfortable with the coverage you have?
We'll see if they don't cancel your insurance, but yes.
So many things, right? So many there are just countless sob stories happening right now in Los Angeles of people who are underinsured or don't have the insurance at all,
Right.
right? And if their insurance agent had reached out to them, what that client might have very well said is, I'm sorry, but I can't afford the level of insurance that you are recommending. Cool beans, but at least that was a choice they got to make.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's true.
How many people right now are going, I didn't know I was so ridiculously underinsured. I wish somebody had told me. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's a very front and center thing. We don't understand that as real estate professionals, we're exactly the same. Would people like to know what their equity is worth? Would they like some guidance on how they could leverage that equity if they wanted to buy an investment property, to finance college education, to retire more comfortably, to build an ADU, to have a second source of income? Would they like that? Would they need that? Some of them, yes. Everyone, no. But would they like to be the one who says, yes, I want that, or no, I don't?
At least give them the opportunity.
Exactly. So if you want, so what we learned in ninja training is that, and this is very true in California, there are more real estate licenses than driver's licenses. Every person that you know is either related to, friends of, or in connection with a dozen real estate agents. Why the frack should they use you?
Yeah.
Two reasons: because you've demonstrated that you have the expertise, and because you are in the flow of their life. Yeah, you're in
Yes.
the flow. What does that mean? That they think of you not just because they need to buy or sell a house, but because they think of you because you're around. So
Yeah,
there
absolutely.
you go. Little ninja training for you.
Very good. Very good.